Hello friends, welcome back to my course Entrepreneurship for Kids. So this is the part 10 of my video series. If you haven't watched my previous videos, the link for the same is in the description below. So in this video, I will explain peer-to-peer lending. So here, I will be taking the same example which I used in my previous equity video. So those who haven't seen my equity and debt video, I request you to first watch my equity and debt video before this video. The link for those videos are in the description below. So what is peer-to-peer lending? So it's a foreign funding system, but in the last few years, it is trending in India. It is an innovative resource for funding. But before I explain you peer-to-peer lending, let me tell you what used to happen before peer-to-peer lending was introduced in India. So we will take an example to understand peer-to-peer lending. So in my equity video, I took the example of Anmol Bat Company. After doing some analysis, I figured out it will cost me 1 lakh rupees to start a business. But the problem is that I only have 10,000 rupees. So I am short of 90,000 rupees. So I need funding. So basically I will go to the bank for a loan. But I need to go multiple times and there will be too much documentation and credit rating check will happen till you get the loan. In general, it will take around 2 to 3 weeks to complete the process and your time will be wasted. In addition, chances of getting a loan of a startup or a business is very less. But in peer-to-peer lending, you hardly need to do this. In a search engine, you have to search peer-to-peer lending in India. So in the website, there will be a lender and an entrepreneur. So this is the first screen you are going to get after you open the website. So here you don't need to go anywhere. It is totally online. If you are making a profile in the website, you have to select one of two options, lender or a borrower. Lender will select the type of startup he or she wants to fund in the expectation of interest rate. Borrower is the entrepreneur who is seeking fund. And in the borrower's profile, it should be mentioned the amount of loan and how much interest rate you can give to the lender. This is for the borrowers. As you give this in the website, the list of lenders who can give you this much amount pops out. This procedure is very fast. Within 4 to 5 days, it will be completed. If I say in a simple line, peer-to-peer lending, there is a website. In that website, you need to create a profile. You don't need to go anywhere. You will talk with the lender through the website. You can even bargain. Like the lender says, the interest rate is 25%. And you say, the interest rate I can give is 20%. So in stepwise I will say, step 1, create a profile. Step 2, put the amount of loan. Step 3, put the interest rate. So now let's go on to the advantages of peer-to-peer lending. So 1, fast procedure, time saving, best alternatives, quick and efficient, and you can bargain with lenders. So that's all for this video. In my next video, I will cover knowledge sharing organization. And please keep an eye on my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.